Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna be going to the river and fishing and some other stuff.
And swimming.
How's the creek? And how's the river? Pretty nice. Just got this Get It tied on. I'm gonna be fishing like right over there and over there. We're just on this little island right here. I caught a fish right here before, right there, and then I caught one over there.
Aiden's over there fishing. Haven't caught anything yet.
Okay guys, I was fishing and I got hung up and I couldn't get it off, so I broke it. And I'm gonna tie on this this right here, this crawdad with a little weight. Let's see if I can catch any fish with this lure. Just tied it on. So I'm gonna stop fishing with it.
And guys, I just saw her swimming and I looked on the rock and found this baby catfish. Go ahead and let it go over the hill. There it goes. You can caught one over there. They come over here and video it. So I'm gonna keep on swimming.
So first fish of the day, I hurt the river. I caught it over there where Wine showed you. But I'm just gonna let it go at hill. There it goes, that was a nice one. It was my first cast with this crawdad I just tied on. So I'm gonna keep fishing. My brother just found all these live clams. There's a lot of them. I found this little crawdad, but we're gonna go ahead and release it. There it is, just going around.
Hey guys, caught another catfish out at the river. Go ahead and let him go. There he goes. I'll keep on looking. You guys caught another catfish. It's a pretty big one. It bites and I put my hand by him. Like the other ones didn't. Comment down below what you think it is. What kind of catfish it is. There he goes. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going back to where the creek is. We're done at the river. The spot where you catch one. Go go. Oh, okay. It's this spot right here. I can usually catch a fish right here. So I'm gonna stop fishing. So I had one, but my lure came off. So I'm gonna be done fishing. So guys, I only caught one fish on that crawdad lure.
And hope you enjoyed it.
Like and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the next one.